Hey guys, it's Brianna from Brianna's Perfect Video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on this Play-Doh plus doubles dessert, and I'm not going to be using it. I'm just doing a review, and everything that I have is 3 things that I got from Target, and they were all on clearance, which was this Play-Doh plus packet. There's a yellow, and there's a yellow, blue, orange, purple, another blue, and then pink, and then white right there, and then green under the white right there. And then I also got gum. And here was totally on clearance. Y'all can see the clearance sign for only $10. So this is what I'm going to be doing, the Play-Doh plus double dessert, and it's a review. And I'm also opening up this. So first I'm going to be opening this up. So I got my scissors, and I will just cut open the tape. This is pretty hard. But if you use a knife, I don't think it will because I'm not using a knife. Okay. There. Got it. Then I've already opened this up. So put that to the side. There, so this is trash. So there's the blue, yellow, purple, pink, green, orange, blue, another blue, and white. And I've never had Play-Doh Plus. So yeah, this is trash. Oh. So yeah, we have all those Play-Doh Plus. Those over there. And I will open one up to see how it looks like. Ugh, so many. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, it's so tiny. Feels so good. Soft. So yeah, now I'm opening up this double dessert. Oh, I can see. Oh, there's more Play-Doh Plus. Yeah. 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 Yep. Yeah. Ow, so many Play-Dohs. This is trash. So there's green, light, and light blue. So many Play-Dohs. So now we have 2 yellows, and now we have 2 pinks. Now we're gonna see what else we have. So we have some molds. I'm not opening it up. We have this, where a lot of molds. There's tons of molds. There's a top part, I guess. Try to bolt that. I don't know. Look at the instructions. I'm guessing you get this, I guess. I don't know. I'm just There, I did it. Thought I broke it. This is opens. So now with this.
Remember que tenemos que ir a ese lugar, ¿te acuerdas que nos apuntamos para ir Adrián y tú allá al gym?
Yeah.
¿Jugar?
Yeah. Ugh. Sorry, that was my mom talking, if you didn't hear her. So here it comes with a roller. You can use it to pull it up. And then there's a lot of molds, and then there's this. So you need to connect it. There. Oh, that's nice when it's up. It doesn't go all the way, but when you push it, it makes a noise. A bell, I guess. Sounds like a bell. There's a bell. Yeah, and that's all I came in here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and bye everyone.